So you want to learn how to rock to fakie, but can't conquer your fear, or you just don't know how to do it. So to do a rock to fakie, approach a quarter pipe with enough speed so that your front truck comes over the coping but your back truck doesn't. While the front truck leaves the quarter, you push out your front foot to press down the front of your board on the platform. Meanwhile, lean your body backwards. After a short time, gravity pulls you back into the quarter. When that happens, ease the weight off of your front leg and let your front truck out of the rock position by pressing the back truck down on the quarter pipe. Be careful to not put down your front truck too early, otherwise you might get a hang up and fall down. While rolling out backwards into the transition, make sure to balance your weight to avoid falling off your board. Rock to fakie is a good foundation for several other transition tricks. Why not push the level a bit and try something harder? If you're already in a fakie stance, go for a fakie disaster. So your rock to fakies, they're not going to look like they're rocking at first. They're probably just you're gonna get the front truck up and then you're just gonna go right back down. But after a while, it just comes natural where you can get that rock flowing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like the video, subscribe for more, and comment what you want to see next.